What if your lights and music worked together, perfectly in sync, all at the sound of your voice? Well, that's exactly what's happening now. Philips Hue and Sonos just teamed up to make your smart home feel even smarter. A brand new integration is rolling out, letting Sonos users control their Philips Hue lights and plugs directly with Sonos Voice Control. No phone, no app, just your voice. With a few simple voice commands, you can turn lights on or off, dim the brightness, change colors, trigger entire scenes, and even control smart plugs, all hands-free. Whether you're setting the mood for a movie night or brightening your morning routine, it's seamless and instant. The update is rolling out across a wide range of Sonos devices, including the Arc Ultra, Arc, Beam, both generations, Era 100 and 300, Move, Move 2, Roam, Roam 2, and the new Era 100 Pro. So chances are, if you've got a Sonos, you're about to get smarter lighting control built right in. Setting it up couldn't be simpler. Just open the Philips Hue app, go to Settings, tap Smart Home, then hit the plus sign and choose Sonos. You'll need a Philips Hue Bridge or Bridge Pro to connect, the brains of the operation that keeps everything talking to each other. Right now, the feature only supports US English and French, matching the existing Sonos voice control languages. More language support is expected down the road, though Philips hasn't shared when that might happen. Alongside this integration, Philips Hue has rolled out version 5.510 of its mobile app, bringing bug fixes and stability improvements. It's available now on both the App Store and Google Play. This partnership marks another step towards a truly connected home, one where light and sound move perfectly together, powered by your voice. So whether it's movie night, party mode, or just winding down, Philips Hue and Sonos are making your home smarter, one command at a time.